Hey everyone, this is lesson number 6. Today we're going to watch a video and do a virtual tour of the Australia Zoo with Robert Irwin. Awesome! Have fun!
Welcome to Australia Zoo. My mum and dad built the zoo from a tiny little reptile park to what it is today. Isn't it incredible? Let's go check it out. Here at Australia Zoo, you can meet all of these awesome animals. We've got this gorgeous macaw here, a beautiful little koala. This is Jenny, the Burmese python, and my favorite, Andre the alligator. Have a go at this guy. Here at Australia Zoo, everything is hands-on. Woohoo! Oh, a wombat. Excuse me. Hey, mate. Oh, I absolutely love wombats. They're one of my favourite Australian animals. They're kind of like Australia's bulldozer of the bush. And you wouldn't think so with those little stumpy legs, but they can actually run up to 40 kilometres per hour. It's pretty cool. Welcome to Southeast Asia. This is one of our beautiful tiger cubs. Just like me and Bindi, he's the next generation of Australia Zoo. This is Bindi's Island. I'm here with a few of our beautiful lemurs, and they definitely love their fruit. They're such special animals. This is one of our giant Aldabra tortoises. His name is Jarvis. He's absolutely amazing. And what I always say is if the food isn't good enough for me, then it's not good enough for the tortoises. Here you go. Oh, yum. Here at Australia Zoo, you can even experience Africa. Kids from the age of 4 can visit Australia Zoo and feed our beautiful giraffes. And our gorgeous zebras. Here at Australia Zoo, even the littlest people can meet the biggest animals. This is DJ, and he's a massive 2-ton white rhino. He's like a dinosaur. These little guys are the newest addition to Africa. Aren't meerkats just awesome? It's not just the animals that get the best food at Australia Zoo. Check out this awesome spread from Crikey Cafe. When you visit Australia Zoo, be sure to check out one of our awesome gift shops. And you can even take home one of my photographs. This is the Australia Zoo Wildlife Hospital, and it's one of the busiest wildlife hospitals in the entire world. Since we opened in 2004, we've taken in thousands of animals every year, just like little Josh here. He's a gorgeous little koala that was unfortunately hit by a car, but with the great help of Dr. Amber and all of the wonderful vets and nurses that we have, he'll have a speedy recovery and hopefully be out in the wild very soon. He's very cute though.